Hello, everybody. Sounds really enthusiastic. Okay, hello guys. I'm doing another mail time. I forgot to check which one this is, so I don't know if this is my 7th mail time. I think maybe I don't know. It's just gonna have to be my 7th one. I'm sorry I've not been active in a while. I've not posted videos for a little while, but I have enough gifts to do another mail time. I think I have like 44 gifts. So yeah, let's get started in this mail time. Oh yeah, you have 77. Oh, hello, buddy. Be a ballet, remember? That's the person I was trying to read the outcome. Okay, anyways, I'm no longer dancing for some reason. I was supposed to be dancing. Okay, let's start at the top. These people I did a gifting war with, so that's why you'll see multiple gifts from these people. These first couple are from Stuffed Kittens All Around, which, I don't know if I'm going to name. Okay. She said, sorry, I accidentally clicked send. And she sent me a werewolf mask. It looks like one of those Jedi masks I was just talking about. Thank you for that. Oh, I know what this one is already. She said, I need something good, LOL. This is the, pink rare wristband she sent, and thank you so much for that. I already sent her something back. Thank you very much for the rare spike wristband, the first gift. The first spike of the mail time. I don't know if I'm going to be getting any more, but I'm just going to say it's the first spike. Another one from her. She sent me rare sunshine gouache. I've seen this. Was this like the rare item Monday that I missed? Yeah. Bro, I literally just got this and I needed this. Okay, thank you so much. I was looking for someone to gift me the rare item Monday I missed.
Just wait,
2 Mondays ago.
2 of those?
No, I didn't get one yet.
I need one.
Okay, this is another person. Fuzzy Rose 223 sent me rare wood fence. This is actually worth like a beta. Rare wood fence. I have 2 of these now. Thank you very much, Fuzzy Rose. Another one from Soft Kittens All Around. She sent me a rare fox hat.
Oh, I was supposed to get my
This is a
membership
beta.
today.
She sent me a rare fox hat. I was
Totally
gifting
beta.
with good people. Thank you very much for that, too. Another one from Fuzzy Rose.
I was supposed to get my
I'm just
membership
gonna
today,
call
but I forgot.
her Fuzzy. Okay, I'm just gonna call her Fuzzy Rose. Sent me feathered masks. They're all like decent items. Thank you very much for the feathered mask, Fuzzy. This is the last one from her. Last one from Soft Kittens All Around. Oh, this is where it is. Yes. Okay. Yeah, she was. Okay. From her, she sent me a rare hockey mask. Thank you very much. This is the person with Snowlippers Slippers, so that's why I have a yes in there. Okay, I like this username. Minty Fireworks said, happy mailbox time, and they sent me a rare sparkly boa. Thank you. They're very pretty. See, look right here. New Jammer sent me, said, hungry, here is some bacon.
Or just a random
Yeah,
dude.
I was just sitting in Jamont Township, and this dude sent me this thing. What? How is that bacon? Oh, it looks like bacon.
Oh.
He sent me some purple bacon. Thank you for that bacon, New Jammer. Can I click on you?
Mm-mm.
Dang it, I
Their
can't show your
user.
animal. Ah! Okay. Anyways, Game Over Eve said hot and sent me some rare Team Direwolf hat. Oh, thank you for that. That is very hot. Daddy32005 sent me a rainbow pink wall. Is this in stores?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for that wall. Jelly Donuts sent me a royal tiara. Thank you for that fake beta. Fake beta. Thank you. Sugary Sparrow said, aye, what's up, fam? Sorry I ran out of extra gifts. Sent me a rare star cape. Thank you. It's okay. That's a gift, so that's good. The gal is here. I think the gal is here said, I'm a person. Thank you for, telling me that. They sent me a mirror spiked collar. That was one of those spikes that was up in the diamond shop for a while. Thank you. Flutter is shy. No. Sent me paw rug. Aren't these worth something? Paw rug?
Yeah, I think a few rings to an beta.
Oh, thank you for that. I don't have any of those. I just think they're worth it. Okay. Anyways, Hannah609 said, have fun. Thank you. I'm having fun. Rare salamander gills. Oh, that's pretty cool. Thank you for those.
Salamander?
This is salamander. It's JoJo. Joe. Like Joe and then Joe. That's like the same word. Okay. They sent me square glasses. Thank you. Those are really
Yeah, but
cool.
of course the same word because
They're like the Joe and then Joe. They're spelled differently. That's what I meant. Julianne Touchardo said, okay. And sent me a pillow. Woot woot. A nice, soft, comfy pillow. That one diamond. I like that one. Oh, and they sent me a diamond too as a sticker. Hee hee. Get it? That one diamond. They said poof and sent me a Freedom Jester hat. Thank you, thank you. Page 4512 said, for a great friend. I don't really know you, but yeah, great friend. They sent me a tuxedo jacket. Thank you. Coca-Cola. Ow! Ow, Ha! Cocada1234 sent me a rare elf hat helmet. That's my thing. Tiger52293 sent me a heart antenna helmet. Hee hee. Oh, I'm reading the next one. Pixie345 said hee hee. Just kidding. Said rare camouflage. He said rare camouflage. I mean, they gave me rare camouflage. They also said it's magenta. And sent me a necklace. Yeah, baby. That trick isn't even like people know. Oh, remember I Love a Party in Decor? I was talking about them. They sent me the flamingo claw. Yeah, dude. Toxicated, but with a 3 instead of an A. Sent me a rare Stegosaurus. Thank you. Dicephoritic. I don't really know. Said my is Slime Shady. They were trying to say their YouTube account is Slime Shady. And they sent me a rare straw hat. Thank you for that. Nugget Pie said no problem. And sent me a donut spike collar. This is like, I've gotten 2 spikes from that, weekend where there was spikes every day. And Nugget Pie also said I eat chicken potatoes. That's nice to know. And they also sent me a masterpiece! Oh, I don't hardly ever get masterpieces. Thank you for that masterpiece. I'll look at that in a little bit closer up.
That is all.
BH Rhoda said, what do you want for that flower crown? And they sent me a line plushie. By the way, guys, I don't really trade my flower crowns. I'm actually trying to collect flower crowns, so yeah. Link's lover Tina said, here, I wanted you to have it anyway. And they're sad for some reason. He sent me a giant fountain of jelly.
I don't know why they're sad.
I don't know either.
Thank you. They wanted you to have it.
But thank you for that gift. Joski1 said cool. He sent me a wheelbarrow plant. Thank you. Sea Soap, kind of like his name too, sent me an Eclipse top hat. Thank you. Luna K11 said, come to my den so I can offer for wrist, please. They sent me a rare old hood. Marky157 said okay and sent me rare monster teeth. Yeah. Bob935 said hope you like it and sent me a diamond encrusted vent. Oh yeah, those are pretty. I do like those. Solixa said have fun and sent me a designer skirt. Thank you. KitKat21010 said okay. And sent me a samurai helmet. I don't really have that. Boots03702 said, sorry it took me so long to give back. And they gifted me back a rare police hat. Thank you. Bobster958 said, here you go. And sent me a golden dragon mask. Thank you for all those gems in the kit. Sucker Spain 10 sent me a sword. Is this member or not member? I think it's member. Anyways, thank you for that sword. Impression said shout out to Impression AJ, Instruction AJ. Apparently that's them, so I'll subscribe to them. They sent me spring elf tail armor. Thank you. Tiger Lily, this is the last gift. Tiger Lily 10464 sent me a star cake. Thank you. Oh guys, that's all for todayers. Okay, that's all for todayers, peoples. And thank you for watching this, so much. Thank you for all people gifted me, and make sure to subscribe and like this. Bro. Make sure to subscribe and like this, and, watch all my other videos, too. I don't need music, okay, but anyway, this is done now, so, yeah, thank you for watching. I'll try to be more active and stuff like that, and yeah. So, have a nice time jamming, people, and peace out. Goodbye!